Mata, nakikita natin ang iba't ibang mga pangalit ng mga bagay.
For example, imagine that you're on a construction site.
Halimbawa, guri-guri na kayo na sa isang construction site.
And all of a sudden someone says, "Look out!"
Bigla na lamang may nagsabi, magbantay kayo.
What do you do?
Anong gagawin niyo?
Look around.
Ay titingin-tingin.
Where is the danger?
Nasaan ang pangalit?
When you see it, then you can be careful.
Kung nakikita ninyo, kayo'y magiging mapagbantay. Maingat.
But it is important not only for us to see something, but we must also understand what we see.
Subalit hindi lang na mahalaga na ating nakikita ang isang bagay, kundi maunawaan kung ano iyon.
For example, you may be in a foreign country.
Halimbawa sa isang banyang bansa.
And you may see a large sign.
At magkakita kayo ng isang napakalaking
And you might think, this sign says, "Welcome."
at nakita ninyo yung sign na sinasabi, welcome.
But really, that sign says, "Beware, landmines."
Subalit, yung sign na yun ay nagpapabala na ito ay may landmine.
Well, because you don't understand the language, even though you see the sign, you don't understand it.
Subalit dahil sa hindi nyo alam yung lengguwahe yun, hindi nyo naiintindihan kung ano yung sign na yun.